1, go, 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 go și pleacă! Rumble Rock! Powered by Assist Software!
So we're turning right. First climb so far. Let's see. Still alive and kicking. The views are amazing. So it's gonna be a lot of dying. Yeah. Let's see. And I need to look good for the photo. So this is kind of a false flat with a nice slow ascent. That behind is the Jumalo, really nice. These are the views, guys. And this is also the shortest course that you might want to consider. For the longer distances, it gets even better. This was a nasty one. Trying to run again. Have to go really slow. It was a bit wet. I don't want to break my neck. Let's see. So I'm quite behind. You can see the guys in front. Already quite a few. Hello. Hello. And we have some friendly dogs here, hopefully. Hey, Chivach. Chivach, my. Yeah, Chivach. To take care. It's quite a nice steep descent here. It's a bit wet, so I need to be careful. I was afraid of the climbs, but so far the descents are killing me, so So there's the small climb again. So time to walk a bit, take in the views. Right in front you can see two rocks. Just under those rocks we started. So yeah, almost 12k into the race. Still holding strong, but we'll see how it will go. slowly but surely we're approaching the last climb. We're not even there, but it's gonna be heartbreaking. Hopefully they have tissues for the tears. Let's see. Again, descending, easy, a bit rocky, need to watch my legs. We're approaching the final checkpoint and the start of the worst climb. Let's see. Still feeling quite good. I think I was quite decent on the climbs actually, quite shit on the descents, but that's quite natural given where I live and train. So this is it, guys. We're approaching the last hydration station and we can see the first guys in front of me going up. Oh man, that looks steep. It's gonna be soul crushing. Evităm cât mai putem. Let's see. Alright guys, last checkpoint and this is what follows. Let's see. This is gonna be one hell of a climb. Oh mama. And we also need to look good in the photo here. Come on, let's try to smile.
Bravo, bravo.
Ultimele eforturi să zâmbim puțin. E probabil ultimul zâmbet pe ziua de azi. So I'm about halfway through the climb and I am done. I would literally stop. My heart rate is through the roof. I don't think I've ever done that. So I was optimistic that it's gonna be better, but I'm dead. So I made it on top. There was a camera guy. I had to save one last smile for him. We're now turning towards Campulung and the finish. You kind of can hear in the background the noise. It's again a nice steep descent. All the oxygen went to the legs. I was getting a cramp at one point. I had to stop and stretch. Now it's just a matter of making it safely to the finish. Okay, so we're going towards the finish slowly. They moved the finish line from the end of the ski track to the city center. So instead of like half kilometer left, we have probably close to 2 kilometers. It's a bit steep, a bit wet. Doing my best not to break my neck. Let's go. And we can see the city. We're almost there. Slowly but surely. Thanks. So finally I'm making it to the finish. I'm alive. Flying again, Messi. Oh god. It's funny how a finish line gives you again wings. Mulțumesc, mulțumesc! Ce faci, mai? Mulțumesc!
Felicitări!